So still in this video, we're taking a MSI CX61 laptop who has a Core i5 4th gen, NVIDIA GeForce 940M graphics card. So using something plastic, I'm not recommend use any metal, because it can rip it off easily, and you'll regret about it, and you need to buy extra ribbon for that. So just flip with the nail, or flip with something plastic easily, another plastic, which is the one on this time, the one that come easily, so come off easily. There, press it back, or just there you go, easily just flip it back, and it comes out. So this laptop never was dismantled from manufacturing, so it's still everything fresh. It's just like a little bit dusty, that's all. So another ribbon cable from touchpad released, and what I see there is 2 screws, which we need to undo it. And this keyboard should come. Oh, armrest, I apologize for that. Let's put it on the side with some plastic and follow the line. Just the one that comes to the side, just because it's warning lights up there. There you go. We clicked it. A little bit gentle with that, and click, and there you go. Down. I dismantled the armrest from MSI now. So these all parts are for sale on my eBay platform. If you're in UK, eBay only allows me to sell in UK. Because they downgraded my account because I've got absolutely because of my own fault, but still waiting for review, and hopefully my account get back on track soon, from like November or something, and I could sell globally, but now at this minute I can sell just from my own personal website, and I can ship globally if you wish to do it. So all the links now in below in my description. So if you want to chat with me, just drop me a message under this video, or send me an email, and we can chat about parts, about repairs, and about sponsorship, if you okay with sponsoring me my videos, and helping me open my own shop, which I did open it, but not a physical one. So I'm waiting for your message, and on next video we'll dismantle motherboard from this, and on next video I'll show you how to dismantle a screen assembly bag, because I'm not taking whole pack out. I'm selling it as is, so it's more expensive, but it's more worth it. Some people need it. So till next video, thank you.